Hello everyone. Today we will discuss no hybridization. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. नो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. वर्ड में ही सब कुछ है. नो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. नो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन. नो नाइट्रोजन फैमिली. ओ ऑक्सीजन फैमिली. Hydrides except ammonia and water. It means PH3, ASH3, SBH3, BiH3. Except ammonia, all these hydrides, not so hybridization. No hybridization. In such compounds, the central atom have pure p orbitals. Pure p orbitals. No hybridization. Similarly, in case of H2S, H2SE, H2TE, no hybridization. No hybridization. Explained by THGA, called Drago's rule. Applicable for those in which central atom has electron negativity less than equal to 2.1 and applicable for third period onward. तो सिंपली बच्चों बहुत ही सिंपल सा फंडामेंटल है. नो हाइब्रिडाइजेशन मीन्स no NO nitrogen family, oxygen family, except ammonia and water. These hydrides never show hybridization, have pure p orbitals. Thank you.